Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day today. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go. Today we're taking a look at the Nike SB Dunk Low Run the Jewels. This shoe was released on April 20th, 2023 at a retail price of $130. The Run the Jewels Nike Dunk Low SB presents a sneaker collaboration centered around the hip-hop duo composed of Killer Mike and LP. The low top sports a suede upper in varying shades of blue, contrasted by a textured nubuck swish in hot pink. Embroidered on the back tab, a Nike wordmark in metallic gold matches the Nike SB that decorates the stuffed tongue. The sneaker rides on a semi-translucent rubber cupsole featuring an all-over Run the Jewels print underfoot. The resale value is holding up pretty well. All sizes are above retail, with larger sizes reaching the $230 to $250 range. I ended up grabbing these for one of my homies in a size 12, but if this was my size, I think this would have been my skate shoe for 2023. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support and have a great day.